How to make captions like Alex Hormozi for TikTok and Reels with the CapCut app. Create a new project and add your videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Next, of course, create and add caption text. If your video already has a narrator's voice, then open the text menu and select the auto caption option. Choose the right language according to the narration. Tap Start, and just wait a few moments. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. After that, you can edit your text first, such as changing the font type, tidying up typing, changing the size, position, and so on. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Then to highlight a text, all you have to do is select it. Tap the Style menu. Then choose the color you want. Easy, isn't it? Repeat these steps to highlight other text. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Then to change the highlight color of the line of text and turn on notifications. Split your text clips. For the first text clip, I'm going to highlight the text on the top row. And for the second clip, I'm going to highlight the text on the bottom row. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Okay, the final touch. You can add incoming and outgoing animation effects to your caption text. Done. Now let's see the final result. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Okay guys, that's all the tutorial in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.